Hi, Judd here. We're picking up a job that I left a long time ago. It's actually been about 2 years, and this car has been sitting here for 2 years at least. I think it's about a year and 8 months since I actually did anything on it. I'll link to the last video I did on this. Originally, I had to replace the distributor, which I did, but then when I tried to start it, the starter went. It just died while it was sitting here. So then I had to replace the starter. In the last video, I sort of got a start on that job, but I never finished it. And then tried to bring in my mechanic, but my mechanic left. So it's basically been sitting here for 2 years. Recently, I went at it again to no avail. And then a friend agreed to help me out with the thing. And actually, I sort of told him he can do it and I'll help him. And he came over and we did it. And we got the new starter in. I'm going to show you where things stand. Right now, we'll go ahead and open up the hood. And way down in there, right there you can see there's the new starter in, or rebuilt starter, or junkyard starter, or whatever. There's a back bolt back down in there that is real difficult to get at. Meanwhile, a friend had come by, the T-Man, Trevane, and he spotted that this tube had a split in it, so I've replaced that. I'm getting to be a regular car guy here. And I've put some things back together, but I still got to put the battery. I took the battery because batteries outside die quickly in Florida. I've got this all ready to go. I got the battery panel back in place. So I've just got to put the battery back in it. And then because it had been sitting so long, the gas was probably crap. So I had to drain the gas tank. So I had to go into the trunk, open that up, and pull that out. And that was a pain in the butt. And I drained the gas tank, then I had to find a way to get rid of the dead gas. Fortunately, Citrus County has toxic waste disposal, so I got rid of the gas, and now I got to put in some seafoam to clean out what's in there, and some new gas. And the seafoam is just to help it clean things in case anything's stuck in the gas line. So Dave was going to be with me today, but he was exposed to COVID by somebody who didn't want to get a vaccination and came down with it, and visited him 2 days ago. So that really sucks. So you know, get your vaccinations, wear your masks, you're screwing people over. Anyway, so David can't be here, so we're doing the video, so because he worked on this, he helped me out with this, and he was a big help. And so hopefully we'll get to show him this starting today. It's been a while since that's been turned. Seafoam. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a funnel. Okay, good on that. seriously doubt this battery has enough juice in it left to start this car. So I'm going to put my Camry up to jump it. Yeah, she won't even work the door locks. Quick aside, when I came over here to get the Camry, I heard some noise in here, and we got another batch of baby birds up here. Hello guys, say hi. Can you see them in there? Okay, hello. There they are. Okay, Mom just flew out. She's going to be pissed at me, so I'll go away. And we'll try and start that car. Here we go. Okay, all the power and everything came on in the Honda, so I turned the key and absolutely nothing. Zip, zilch, nada. I don't know. There you go. As I've said many times, not a car guy. Happy day to you.